The sky, the sky is forever my sanctuary for peace. I leave the hectic chores of the day, the hustle, the bustle, sit for a second and look up, up beyond the eyes. I imagine all the celestial beings. The sun is out here, the sun is hiding elsewhere. Stars I have not, the others do. The clouds come, clouds go, and the days passes so into month to years. The sky plays the games of yes and no. The sky is my sanctuary for my solitude, for my peace. Every day I look for a moment. I pause when the weary bones and muscles and the heart cries. I reach out, step out, breathe, deep breathe, and look at the sky. I know one day, beyond the roofs, beyond the shelter of my home, the sky will be my canopy of blue.